We're on the corner of 57th and Lexington Avenue in front of 135 East 57th Street. This 32-story office tower features a signature concave facade that allows for a public plaza in front of the building. Steps away from the NQR 456 trains to highlight the 28th floor sublease. Located off the 28th floor elevator bank, this 7,200 square foot sublease has a reception seating area, is currently built out for 30 employees, plug and play ready, and has the ability to fit 42 and is available immediately.
The floor also features 2 glass-fronted offices with furniture included, an executive boardroom that seats 10 to 12 people looking straight down Lexington Avenue.
On the western side of the space is built out with an oversized pantry, breakout area, and seating for celebratory margaritas on the big deals that you're gonna close. My favorite part of this space is this oversized terrace overlooking the park with some green shrubbery, Midtown Manhattan, looking down Lexington Avenue, the Chrysler Building, 601 Lexington Avenue. This view can't be beat.